Alright PC gamers, buckle up. The news cycle is spinning faster than a top-tier GPU under load, and you absolutely do not want to miss what's just dropped. We've got massive hardware announcements, some truly wild PC builds, and a look at the rapidly evolving landscape of portable power. Get ready, because PC Gaming Pulse is bringing you the hottest, freshest updates you need to know, right now. First up, is Lenovo about to drop the ultimate handheld? We dive into the brand new Legion Go 2. And speaking of pushing boundaries, we're heading into the extreme territory of PC modding, where one gamer decided that more fans are always better. But did this ambitious cooling setup actually work, or did it create a nightmare? We've got the wild details on a PC build that sounds like a submarine about to implode. But is all this cutting-edge tech and extreme modding starting to come with a hefty price tag? We're taking a hard look at the soaring costs of PC gaming handhelds and asking if these powerful portable devices are becoming too expensive for the average gamer. And finally, we're wrapping up with a look at some exciting new DLC and community choices shaking up the world of beloved indie titles. Stick around for all the essential PC gaming news. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to PC Gaming Pulse, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Lenovo's Legion Go 2, the premium handheld that costs a premium price. Lenovo's follow-up to their unique Legion Go handheld is here, and it's aiming squarely at the premium market with a starting price of $1,099.99. This new flagship device boasts a significantly upgraded 8.8-inch OLED display, offering vibrant colors and true blacks, a welcome change from the original's LCD. The resolution is a sharp 1920x1200, and crucially, it features a 30-144 Hz variable refresh rate, a massive leap for smoother gameplay on the go, especially for titles that hover around 30 FPS. Under the hood, it packs the new AMD Ryzen Z2 or Z2 Extreme chips, paired with either 16 GB or a massive 32 GB of RAM and up to a generous 2 TB of storage. Lenovo has also boosted the battery life by 50% and refined the controllers for better ergonomics, including a more robust D-pad and a secure FPS mouse mode. While the original Legion Go was divisive, the Go 2 appears to address many criticisms, aiming for the ultimate portable Windows PC experience. However, this enhanced package comes with a significantly higher cost, with top-tier models reaching nearly $1,500. The PC gaming community is buzzing about the Legion Go 2's premium features and stunning OLED screen. But the steep price point is a major point of discussion, with many questioning if the upgrades justify the significant cost increase over competitors and the original model. But is this premium price point the new normal for portable power? Next, we delve into the wild world of PC modding, where one gamer's quest for ultimate cooling led to a truly bizarre build. 22 fans, one nightmare, the PC build that sounds like a submarine. In the relentless pursuit of peak PC performance, one gamer went to extreme lengths, installing a staggering 22 fans into a single chassis. The goal? Maximum cooling. The result? A cable management catastrophe that ironically hindered airflow and created a deafening cacophony. This ambitious build, which added 17 new fans to an existing setup, featured fans strategically placed on the front, back, sides for water cooling, graphics card, and even RAM. However, the sheer density of components and the resulting spaghetti of wires turned the PC's interior into a chaotic mess, making maintenance a chore and creating hot spots instead of dissipating heat effectively. The user described the noise as akin to a submarine about to implode. A constant, overwhelming drone that detracted significantly from the gaming experience, despite the system maintaining lower component temperatures. Gamers online are sharing the story with a mix of awe and horror, debating the fine line between enthusiast modification and impractical obsession, with many agreeing that this serves as a stark warning about prioritizing quantity over intelligent design and user comfort. This extreme build highlights a growing concern about the cost of high-end gaming hardware. We're now looking at how PC gaming handhelds are becoming increasingly expensive. The price of portability, handheld PCs reach new cost heights. The allure of powerful PC gaming on the go is undeniable, but the latest hardware releases are pushing the boundaries of affordability. Lenovo's new Legion Go 2, for instance, starts at a hefty $1,100 and can climb to nearly $1,500 for the top-tier configuration. This trend isn't isolated. Other premium handhelds also command significant price tags, positioning these devices firmly in the luxury tech category. While these machines offer impressive performance and cutting-edge features like OLED displays and advanced processors, the escalating costs are prompting discussions about accessibility and value. Many consumers are left wondering if the convenience and power of a portable PC gaming experience are worth the substantial investment, especially when compared to traditional consoles or even high-end laptops. The gaming community is vocal about the rising prices, with many expressing sticker shock and questioning the long-term sustainability of this trend, while others argue that the cutting-edge technology justifies the premium cost for dedicated enthusiasts. But it's not just about the hardware. Exciting content is also on the horizon. We're diving into new DLC announcements and community-driven updates for some of your favorite indie titles. Indie Game Spotlight, Cult of the Lamb DLC and rival Cartel's next move. Indie gaming fans have reason to celebrate as several beloved titles are gearing up for significant updates. Massive Monster has announced a substantial new paid DLC for Cult of the Lamb, titled Woodhaven, set to release in early 2026. This expansion promises to feel like a whole new game, introducing new settlement mechanics, challenging levels, and harsh winter survival elements. While the developer notes that previous content updates were free, Woodhaven will be a paid edition, though pricing details are still under wraps. Meanwhile, the drug-selling crew simulator, Drug Dealer Simulator 2, has launched its Rival Cartels update, and the community is actively voting on the next major feature. Options include hireable drivers, fishing, or the much-requested shrooms. Player sentiment is divided, with strong support for both practical additions and more eccentric gameplay elements. Additionally, Build A Rocket Boy's action shooter has received Update 4, addressing PC performance issues and adding quality-of-life improvements like the ability to skip cutscenes, though controversial changes to vehicle accessibility have sparked debate among players. Fans are eagerly anticipating the new content for Cult of the Lamb and debating the future direction for Drug Dealer Simulator 2, while Build A Rocket Boy faces a mixed reception for its latest patch. That's all the news for today, but don't go anywhere. We've got a lightning-fast recap of all the top stories coming up right after this. And that's a wrap on today's PC Gaming Pulse. We covered Lenovo's premium Legion Go 2 handheld, the chaotic 22-fan PC build nightmare, the rising costs of portable gaming rigs, and exciting new indie game updates like Cult of the Lamb's DLC. Don't miss a single beat in the world of PC gaming. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to PC Gaming Pulse for your daily dose of news, and ring the notification bell so you're always the first to know. Got thoughts on today's stories? Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. And make sure to follow us on all our social media channels for even more gaming content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.